everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've had a delivery in today. I've already unboxed and put it on the website. Okay, we've got some resin scale cabochons. These are 12mm, and I'll put a photo for you to see clearly. We've also, it's easier just to do this. We've also got white, iridescent, and those are also 12mm. If you're wondering what to do with these, for an example, they will fit in a setting. You can make all sorts of jewellery. Obviously these are earrings, which I'll show you in a minute, but these are connectors for your jewellery. So that's those. These are purple resin druzy, again 12mm, which is my most popular size. These are kind of a resin opalite. They really do catch the light. Like shells. And these make very nice rings. All different. No two are matching. Oops. These are 10 and 12 millimeters. These are foil fleck. Colours on those. Some flowers, pastel colours, and flat backs for you to glue. Those are 12mm, I didn't just say. Venturine, strands, these are lapis lazuli, natural. None of this dyed stones that you get from China, or you can get from China. China do produce some lovely supplies, but you do have to be careful. This is the first time me stocking strawberry quartz. I did have cherry before. It's very hard to see, but again I'll put a photo of what it looks like. that's nice. And then we have some gold 6mm stardust beads. Get lots of those in for the Christmas jewellery. Just drop one in the centre. We have these, also 6mm, and they're like a rainbow mermaid. Also stardust. And also in 8mm. These are antique silver connectors, and they're a rustic design. These are 14mm, so you would need a 14mm cabochon for those. I know some people get confused and will buy a 10mm for a 12mm setting. Again, these are antique silver, rustic design, crinkly back. These are for pendants or earrings, also 14mm. These are rose gold. It can be quite difficult to get some decent rose gold for costume earrings. 12mm French lever earrings, which open and close like this. Then we have some stainless steel orbit rings. These are restocks. And then you can just make them larger or smaller. So these are stainless steel, they will not tarnish. We have black lobster clasps, 12mm. Some silver and gold. These are what I've been waiting for to show you, if you follow me making jewellery, how to the lobster clasp and fastening. So we have these clots, crimp ends. I think these are 4mm. I must check. These are 6mm resin, similar to like a rhinestone type druzy cabochon. Oops. Another strawberry quartz. 4mm stainless steel stud earrings. with butterfly backs. That's a restock. These are 6mm stud earrings, silver plated. Again, those are a restock. These are 8mm. They're stud earrings, but they have loops on the bottom. And backs. And then we have in silver, rose gold, gold and Casey gold. 12mm. These are dangle cabochon earrings. But that's what I have so far, what I've done. And those are all available to purchase on the website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care.